TVonics, live life in HD. Hello, we have all experienced the problem of too many remote controls for our ever-expanding entertainment system. Each piece of equipment having its own remote control. One for your TV set. One for your digital TV recorder. And one for your digital versatile disc or DVD unit. This is now a thing of the past. The remote control supplied with your TVonics digital TV recorder will control all three units: digital TV recorder DTR, TV, and DVD. Please remember the remote control has to be programmed to work with your TV and DVD. Instructions on how to perform this can be found either in your TVonics user manual or found on the TVonics website, www.tvonics.com/codes. To use this remote with your TV or digital TV recorder or DVD, the remote control's mode of operation has to be set. This is done by pressing either the TV, or DTR, or DVD buttons on the remote control. To control your TVonics digital TV recorder, press the DTR button on the remote control to enable DTR mode. The DTR button will flash red when the button is pressed. Having set the remote control's mode to DTR, it should now be possible to operate the TVonics digital TV recorder, making use of all the features available. Please note that although the remote control's mode is set to digital TV recorder, DTR mode, the mute and volume up and down buttons will still operate the TV set. To control your TV set, press the TV button on the remote control. The TV button will flash green when the button is pressed. It can be a bit difficult to see the green illumination with your finger covering the button. Having set the remote control's mode to TV, it should now be possible to control your TV set. TV mute. TV standby. Exit. Last channel. Display. TV volume up and down. TV program, up and down. TV menu, cursor up and down. TV menu, cursor left and right. OK. TV menu. Teletext. Red. Green. Yellow. Blue. Digit entry keys, 0 to 9. Audio video input selection. 10s digit entry. To control your DVD unit, press the DVD button on the remote control. The DVD button will flash green when the button is pressed. Again, it can be a bit difficult to see the green illumination with your finger covering the button. Having set the remote control's mode to DVD, it should be possible to control your DVD unit. TV mute. DVD standby. Disc menu. Exit. Display. TV volume up and down. DVD chapter up and down. DVD menu cursor up and down. DVD menu cursor left and right. OK. Stop. Rewind. Pause. Play. Fast forward. Record. DVD player menu. Language. DVD selection. Tuner selection. Auxiliary selection. TV selection. Digit entry keys, 0 to 9. TV or DVD selection. 10s digit entry. If the unit you are trying to remote control seems to be unresponsive, Check the operation mode of the remote control. Just press the info button on the remote control and look to see which of the TV or DTR or DVD buttons light up. If the wrong one lights, correct the remote's operation mode by selecting the button mode you require. Whilst every effort has been made to accommodate all TVs and DVD units, this is difficult to realize, so please accept our apologies if your particular TV or DVD unit is not supported by our universal remote control. Thank you for watching and listening.